60% battery. About 8 in the morning, 35 degrees. Ian ate breakfast. Jum ate breakfast. I ate breakfast. We're all packed up. All packed up. I'm getting ready to do a 10-miler. We'll talk to you guys later. On the trail. Today our longest day, like a 10.2 or something. 10.2. It's beautiful out there. Everyone's behind us. Right, buddy? Mm-hmm. The electric going through the wires? Don't remember.
Yeah.
Little power line. Jum's. Ian's. What do you think, Ian? Want water?
Yeah.
Need water, Jai? Just got to the top of a super climb. It took us like an hour and 15 minutes. Wouldn't even record, I was so tired. Right, buddy? We're all still here, struggling. Tomorrow we'll be in Harper's Ferry. It's supposed to rain all day, starting at 9 in the morning. Though. Right, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Little state park down there. Here comes Ian and Mama. Ian said, hopefully there's a playground. Right, buddy? Want the playground? We'll look for one. Hopefully there's one down there. A steep downhill coming down to this thing. My feet are beat to shit from the boulders 2 days ago. Back on the trail. Got like 3 miles to Ed Garvey shelter. 3.5 miles. And tomorrow 6 in the Harpers. And we'll be done. At the Ed Garvey shelter. These things are nice. Woo! Well, you want to come up and check it out?
What's it look like?
Just a little loft. We're on this side. I mean, it's smaller than down there, but. Yeah, that Garvey shelter. That's nice. Door. Thermometer. Right there. 60-something degrees. It's nice, man. Sun's setting. We ate dinner and stuff already. We're so tired. I don't feel dinners and stuff or breakfast or setting up for some reason. But I don't know why. It's just me. I would do it if I was solo. I'd do everything for them. Ah! What the hell is that? 36%. Ian, Jamie,